Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you, inside your eyes, there are several important structures that work together to allow you to see the world around you. Let's explore what happens inside your eyes. So, before I am starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting, guys and girls. Here's some points. 1. Cornea. The animation starts by focusing on the outermost layer of the eye, called the cornea. The cornea is a clear, dome-shaped structure that covers the front of the eye. It acts as a protective layer and helps to focus incoming light. 2. Iris and pupil. As we move deeper into the eye, we encounter the iris and the pupil. The iris is the colored part of the eye, and it controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is the black circular opening in the center of the iris. It adjusts its size depending on the amount of light entering the eye. 3. Lens. Moving further back, we reach the lens, which is a clear, flexible structure located just behind the iris. The lens plays a crucial role in focusing light onto the retina at the back of the eye. It changes shape to adjust the focus, allowing you to see objects clearly at different distances. 4. Retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye. It contains millions of specialized cells called photoreceptors. These cells convert incoming light into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. The retina also contains other important cells, such as ganglion cells and bipolar cells, which help transmit these signals to the brain through the optic nerve. 5. Optic nerve. The optic nerve is a bundle of nerve fibers that carries the electrical signals from the retina to the brain. It exits the back of the eye and connects to the brain's visual processing centers, allowing you to perceive and interpret what you see. Throughout the animation, you can see how light enters the eye through the cornea, passes through the pupil, gets focused by the lens, and finally reaches the retina, where it is converted into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted through the optic nerve to the brain, where they are processed and interpreted as visual information. Understanding what happens inside your eyes can help you appreciate the complexity and beauty of the visual system and how it enables you to see the world around you. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours near to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.